Hi everyone. Today I was able to go to the Winston Summer Cruise Night, and I did go ahead and pick up this shirt. So it's pretty cool. They go down Highway 42, and as they're cruising around, they go almost to my neighborhood, which is pretty cool. But not only that, I was able to spend a lot of time talking with the people there, and that's why I actually didn't get any videos of this particular car cruise, because I was enjoying talking with everyone. And not only that, but I got to ride along in one of the cars. So it was a really cool time, and it's nice because there's a lot of restaurants around, like Abby's Pizza and even Dairy Queen, and a lot of great, easy to access places where you can just walk on foot. There's a park right there, and I feel like it's a lot more of a chill atmosphere compared to the large cruise that goes on in the city of Roseburg called the Graffiti Cruise. But in any case, lots of great people there, and some of the same ones who are at the Winston Summer Cruise Night are also participants with the Graffiti Cruise, but I feel like it's at a much more relaxed scale, and it's not going to be a huge, big car show type event in Winston, but I am really glad that I went and was able to enjoy talking with the owners and enjoying seeing, hearing, and experiencing the cars there. Anyhow, thank you all for watching my channel, and I am hoping to participate in one or more upcoming car shows in the not too distant future and get some videos there. So thank you so much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye for now.